Hi, I'm Dave Gordon at StockTradingSupport.com, and I'd like to wish you a happy Valentine's Day. Get that off our chest. Now, this is a follow-up video to our February 9th video on ascending bullish wedges, and in this case, a symmetrical bullish wedge. We talked about NAK, Northern Dynasty Minerals, and we predicted that it looked as though that it was going to break out because we finally got to the point. It ended up with a hammer signal here. Even though it was a down day, the close was much closer to the high of the day than it was the low of the day. We predicted it was going to bounce out. I didn't buy this one. I was going to, but I didn't have time. Instead I bought Paramount Mining, and I did really well on that. This bounced out very strong, and as we pointed out in the previous video, we predicted there would be profit takers, and then also predicted that in many cases, it actually, after it bounces up, it falls down below and comes down into this category before it finally takes off into a big uptrend. So why is that important? Well, it's important because if you're a swing trader, right, you want to get in here, ride it up, and get out, right? And let it come back down and buy in at this level. If you're a position trader whereby you're trading and want to keep it for 6 to 9 months, then don't set a stop loss in this area here because you're going to get taken out every time. Right? The good news is on paper, 3 days ago, you had a lot of money, a big profit. However, you got taken out of the trade because you set your stop loss too tight and were taken out of the trade. Then it rides up on an uptrend. Everybody's happy except you. Now, Northern Dynasty Minerals, they're not only into gold, they're into copper and various other metals, but there's an element of gold. Now, today, the chairman of the Fed testifies in front of Congress about the state of the U.S. economy. Her name is Janet Yellen. Now, the overall strength of the U.S. economy is reasonably good. The markets are very strong since Mr. Trump took over, and everybody's waiting and sitting on the edge of their seat to see what she's going to do regarding interest rates. Because as you know, gold does not earn interest. It is an asset. So if she decides, so the markets right now are saying there's probably not going to be, I think it's 13% sentiment that says that there's not going to be an increase in interest rates in the month of March. Right? So as a result, gold is holding pretty good around 1200, 1195, in that range. Now, if she says, no, the economy's doing really well, we're going to increase the prime, then in all probability, in the short term anyway, gold's going to take a dip down. It's going to affect this, so it may drive it down even further. That remains to be seen. But that's an anomaly that you need to be aware of as a trader. Thanks. I'm Dave Gordon. Trade safe. Is that good?